time-lapse videos. Lightning strikes, flying foods, popping balloons, burning steel wools, high dynamic range images. No matter what kind of photography, as Ansel Adams said, you don't take a photograph, you make it. Sometimes you travel for miles, struggle with harsh weather, wait for hours, make countless attempts for the same scene. All this for one thing, making a great photo. This is why we have created Flex, the easiest way of making creative photos. Lightning strikes are one of the spectacular events of nature. Flex is an excellent tool for those who want to capture these unique moments. Adjust the camera settings, set the sensor sensitivity, and leave the rest to Flex. Whether daytime or nighttime, it detects lightning strikes and automatically triggers your camera to make the magic happen. You can instantly see the shot on your smartphone and combine multiple lightning strikes in a single photo to make impressive lightning photos. Moreover, you can instantly share them on your social media accounts with a single touch. Flex is one of the most powerful devices for making time-lapse videos last from minutes to hours without any hassle. In addition to regular time-lapse modes, Flex adds bulb ramping, HDR time-lapse, and even Holy Grail time-lapse for complex lighting conditions such as day-to-night transitions. Best of all, Flex shows you a preview of your time-lapse video during the shooting process. High dynamic range photography is another great way of making stunning photos. Flex extends your camera's bracketing limitations. It magically takes multiple images of the same scene at different exposures and stitches them into a single HDR image in seconds. Set your composition, exposure, and sit back. Just share with others and enjoy the comments. Live framing is an excellent tool.
Meet Monument 2, the AI-powered photo storage device that automatically backs up and organizes your photos and videos from all of your devices. now faster and more reliable than ever. With its on-device artificial intelligence, Monument groups your photos by faces, scenery, location, and more, so you can find what you're looking for. Quick and simple. While you're out taking photos, the app is automatically backing up everything to Monument's highly reliable SSD storage. Monument continuously organizes your content by faces and more, even eliminating duplicates and creating additional backups, without you ever having to lift a finger. Share with your friends. Protect albums that you want to keep only for yourself, and watch your favorite moments on the big screen with your friends. Monument is designed with privacy in mind. Your data is yours and never leaves Monument. Break free from the Big Co. and stop paying monthly fees.
Since the launch of the original Monument, we've been listening to the immense feedback from our community. That helped us define our next product.
We created Monument 2 from the ground up. Thanks to its totally new architecture, it's now 10 times faster, has better AI, and comes with all these new features. We really worked hard to make it the best place to store your precious memories.
Now we need your support to kickstart manufacturing. Back us now and be the first to get your hands on Monument 2.
I'm Naomi Wu, and this is my 3D print mill. It's an infinite C 3D printer. That means it's a combination of a 3D printer and a conveyor belt. You can print thousands of objects continuously and watch them just roll off the belt. Or you can print objects longer than the printer itself. It's like a TARDIS, bigger on the inside than on the outside. For continuous, unattended part printing, parts are 3D printed, the heated belt advances, and the parts detach themselves and fall into a bin. No more constantly prying pieces off a heated bed and starting the print process again. The 3D print mill can turn an entire 5 or 10 kilogram roll of plastic filament into dimensionally accurate plastic parts with no human supervision. For extremely long 3D prints, the back of the printed object advances out of the 3D printer, while the front is still being printed inside the printer. This print is 3 meters long, but the longest print out of the 3D print mill to date is a 20-foot or 6-meter long bar, all one piece, produced by a machine only 66 cm long. If you are interested in the 3D print mill, even if you just want to learn more about this technology, please click through to our Kickstarter. It's pretty amazing, and I've worked very hard on it, and I think you're going to be absolutely amazed by what it can do for you.
Over the last 6 years, we've developed a new type of technology. It works like a magical looking glass. By controlling the direction of millions of rays of light, what you see through it becomes as real as the world around you. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, your first personal holographic display. The Looking Glass portrait generates dozens of perspectives simultaneously. This results in a three-dimensional hologram that floats out of the display, viewable by multiple people. No headsets required.
I'm Sean Frayne, and I'm part of the team that created the world's first holographic display back in 2018. And it's all been leading up to this. This is a memory machine, and it's a tool for holographic exploration, and it's a new canvas for 3D creators, all wrapped into one device. This is the Looking Glass portrait, and it's your first personal holographic display.